Hi guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I love Christmas time. Who doesn't? Oh, I totally just fucked up my liner. So I wanted to do a video on how to decorate your room for Christmas on a budget because, you know, your room's only going to be decorated for a month, maybe 2 months max if you really love Christmas. Obviously, you don't want to go out and spend hundreds of dollars on new decor, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do your room today for less than $20 and make it beautiful. There's some other things you might want to splurge on, but other than that, $20, you are good, and make your room super festive for the holidays. This is like broke bitch decorating, honestly. So for everyone on a budget, in school, you know, don't really have that much money to spend, but you really want to make your house or your room super festive for Christmas, this is an amazing way to do it. Shout out to the dollar store. So let's get on into the video. Alrighty, so here is a little overview of my room. Starting with my nightstand, I just have this little Yankee candle. You guys can get these for like $5 really anywhere. And then I have this little Christmas tree that I got for $1 at the dollar store, and I got 2 packs of these balls. I got like a gold pack and a red pack, and then I got a star. So this is like $3, but I use these balls like in all different places in my room. I also got this sign that says "'Tis the Season," and I thought this was super cute. This was $1. Over here, I just have this little Santa mug that I found in my cabinet, and I always have a mug here. I don't know why, I'm weird. Down here, I just have this little poinsettia plant, which honestly I think looks really cheesy, but it adds some red to it. And then for this, I just have my, and then I threw like a couple of the balls down there to make it look festive. I don't really like how this looks in general, but it's alright. Now for my bed, you can get this green tinsel at the dollar store for $1, and I think it's like 10 feet long. So I just like double wrapped that. I did one way here and then I did the other way back, so it looks like fluffier, I guess. And then I just had these lights sitting around my room that my mom gave me. As for my pillows, I got this Christmas pillow actually at Target like 5-6 years ago maybe, and it's stayed with me ever since. And then these red pillows we just had like in our office room in the house, and I just threw them on there for decoration because it added some color. For my blanket, I swapped out my pink one for this white fluffy one. This kind of matches like everything I have going on over there. So that's what this area looks like. I really like the way this turned out. Moving on to my desk, I just got this little bow. This was $1. And this candy cane tinsel was also $1. I have this chalkboard that I made a very long time ago, and I usually just kind of like change out what it says on there, so I just wrote Merry Christmas. As for everything else on here, it's really just the same. My dresser, I also didn't really know what to do with, so I just left that alone. If you guys want to see the rest of my, you know, regular everyday decor, my room tour, I will have that link down below, so feel free to watch that if you're wondering where any of this stuff is from. And then moving on to my mantle, I was so excited to decorate this, and honestly, it's my least favorite part of my room. I'm actually embarrassed to show it on camera, but you know what? I did it for $1, so it's really okay. Yeah, I got this, so, oh, that's amazing. So I have the same garland. I also have these fairy lights tied in there. And then, like I said, I just kind of like rotated the red and gold balls. And then I also got these white poinsettias. It came in like a little bouquet. Came in like a bouquet of like a few of them with some sparkly pine cones. So I put that out as well. And then for these candles, I actually had these up here in the fall time. And I just turned them around so you can't see the leaves. So that's what we have there. And then for the wreath, this gets a little bit more expensive. I made this a few years ago, and I just kind of like reuse it every single year. And then the bow I also got for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So that is everything in my room. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this, you know, kind of how to decorate your room on a budget, please let me know in the comments below. I can totally help you guys out with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you liked it, let's spread the word on cheap decor, you know? Help a sister out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.